Hello everyone. Today we will start uh, something what I missed in previous class about while loop. So we have seen that infinite while loop. So there is another way to write the infinite while loop. Now I will show you. Then we will cover different kinds of other loop. Today we will just cover the concept. Next class we will start solving different kind of problems. So let's open my PowerShell. Let's open my PowerShell and a Node++. Just first start writing of yourself only the infinite loop. Okay. So I am saving the file as code.py in my desktop. So in the desktop of the of my system. So code and normal text file, it will be Python file. So suppose A is equal to hello. In these classes, we will not at all copy any code from anywhere. We'll write slowly and you will be able to understand. So A is equal to high, suppose. While true, if I write like that, while true, true I told you, true is a uh, Boolean data type. So while true, print A. This is an example of infinite loop. Let's run, let's save and run. So Python code.py. Yeah. Okay. So in that way also you can write the infinite loop. So now in another diagram I will show how again how while loop works. So you will not find this kind of picture anywhere. That I am showing you now. Suppose A is equal to high and B is equal to 1. So while B lesser than 10, we already have written this kind of code in previous class. So while B greater than being 10 and B is equal to B plus 1. B is equal to B plus 1. Okay. So tell me what will happen. Again, a revision kind of thing. So, okay. So what is happening, I will show you again in a different kind of diagram. So let's see. So I just currently find out that in that way also I can show you. So, yeah. So this is the statement, isn't it? Why B lesser than 10. This is the condition we are giving, the line what we are giving, isn't it? So B, I told you, means is a circle. So I am drawing a circle only. I am drawing a circle only. So what is happening? First, it is printing A. Then it is doing B is equal to B plus 1. B is equal to B plus 1. So first starting value which is entering in the loop is what? B is equal to 1, the initial value, isn't it? So B 1 is coming here. Then print A is printing high. Then 1 is going here. And 1 is updating here 1 plus 1 2. That means here what value is coming? 2, isn't it? Now 2 is B. B is equal to 2 now, isn't it? Now is B lesser than 10? Yes. So that here, tell me which value is coming? Here, what is the here? Two values passing, isn't it? For 2 again print A, that means high. Then this 2 value is coming. 2 is negative. Then again we are updating into 3. And here it is again checking whether the 3 is lesser than 10 or not. Again 3 is passing here. Up to that it will work. Now see that when it became 10, when this became 10, what will happen? When this is becoming 10, okay? So is 10 lesser than 10? No, equals to 10, isn't it? It should be equals to 10, not lesser than. So this condition is not satisfied. So the entire loop is becoming closed. In that way also, very nicely you can understand. Okay. So now today we will start with for loop. Okay. Today, first I will show you one thing, how to take input from user. Sometimes username you are typing, password you are typing. How computer is asking you to enter input from a user, that I will show you. So if you write A is equal to input, input is a function like print. Okay, then I am removing those things. So whatever you will write, whatever the user will write, it will be printed. So save, then run. Can you see? It is not showing anything. Suppose you type whatever, then enter, then the same thing is coming, isn't it? So that's how you can take a input. Okay. So now I can write something, enter anything, enter anything. What will happen? That heading will come. I will run, you will be able to see. You will be able to see. Enter anything means this is coming. After enter anything, you should enter, then it will be printed. I am showing. So enter anything. I am entering anything and it is being printed. Even you can enter into some number also, it will be printed. That means it is taking string as well as numbers. So now we will work with for loop. Okay, for loop. So for loop is used to normally fetch all of the value of a list or a string separately. I will show you. So for suppose I am writing for x in a print a. Very easy. Okay, print a. Let's see what will happen. What is the meaning of x? I will show you. First run that, then will then I will explain. So enter anything. Suppose I am writing school. So what is happening? What is happening? So suppose how many times school is printed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many letters are there in school? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times school is printed. Okay. So suppose here also I am writing school. A is equal to school. Okay. And for x in a print, what will happen in here? Okay, the same thing. Now, if I write a list, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, then ah, so very excellent thing. Mm, I will show you. Okay. So you can change x into any variable, okay, and run that. The output will be same. The output will be same. Just wait. So see that I told you how many in school, how many letters are there? 6. So 6 times 8 is printing. Here, how many in a list? How many elements are there? 4, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 times 8 it is printing. Isn't it? 4 times A, whatever A is there. Now, if I change, if I change a little bit instead of A, if I write FRN, then save, then write, let's see what will happen. Can you see? It is separating the value of the list. That means whatever is there in the list, whatever value is there in A, that means in the list, print that thing separate. So if you are unable to understand, like for B in A, print B. So that means whatever is in the list, print that. That is the meaning of forloop. Let's see again the same thing is coming, isn't it? Now, if I change into school, what will happen? Tell me. That means whatever is there in the school word, let's print that separate. That means, tell me what will happen. Guess all the letters separate, which is printed. Okay. So that is the function of for loop. But I told you, instead of B, if you write A, that means what? How many letters? How many B is there in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 times 6 contains. It contains 6 letters. So that means 6 times of A it will be printed. 6 times A will be printed. But if you change A into B, this outcome will come. So this is the actual function of for loop. If we solve questions, then you will be able to understand more properly. Now, okay, so I have to add something in the for loop is done. Now, today, another thing, if elif else statements will cover, all loops will cover. Otherwise, you can't compare them together. Then nested while is also there. Nested while. Nested while let's cover. Okay? Then break continue statement. We will not discuss any problem here. Today only theory because so many problems are there based on for loop. We will only cover that for loop only. So many questions, so many pattern programming. What is pattern? Then switch. These we will cover too. Many videos are there. It's not an issue in the YouTube, but here you will very slowly do, and you will do very light each and every line. Then you will understand. Okay, now nested while. Nested means a while loop inside another while. So suppose A is equal to school I have written. Okay? B is equal to 1. C is equal to 2. Let's see. Now, what I am writing, sorry for that. B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. Then, I am writing while B, while B lesser than 10, and see that again after giving one space I am writing another while condition while C greater than 10 print A. Now tell me what that program will do. It is very easy. Pause the video and see the outcome. Indentation error I got. Okay. In print statement. So indentation error happened. Yes. So I can write in that way. Oh, okay. See that? After while I told you anything in right, it will start after one space. So after this while loop, this print will start from here, isn't it? You can also write here also. Okay. But inside while loop, it should start by from here, isn't it? So that was the indentation error. So nothing is coming, isn't it? Nothing is coming. Why nothing is coming? See that. Why nothing is coming? Because one condition is true, another condition is false, isn't it? B, the value of B is 1. 1 is lesser than 10, but C is 2, C is not greater than 10. So that loop is not working. Okay. So I am closing and I am just changing the value, and if I run again, so what will happen? I will say now infinite loop will work, isn't it? Yes, infinite loop is now working. That means if you use two while statement, that means it is using two conditions together. Okay. Now we will move to if statement. Okay. So let's open the PowerShell again. So how to use if I became adult, I will first try to go to Goa like that, isn't it? So suppose I am writing A is equal to Monday. A is equal to Monday. Okay. If very easy. If A equals to equals, so there is two kind of sign. One equals to means you are storing something in a variable. Two equals to sign means you are comparing the value of the variable with something. So if A is equal to, suppose if A is equal to Sunday, okay, then here also indentation will work. After if, you should start the line with a space. Then holiday, we print enjoy. But here A, the value of A is not Sunday, it is Monday. So it will not print. Let's see. Let's it is not printing anything. Now I am changing Monday into Sunday. Now it will print. It is the condition is satisfied. That's why it will print enjoy. Yeah. So here, if I can also write another if statement. I am writing another if statement, isn't it? So it should start from just below the previous if. Okay. So if A is equal to Monday, if A is equal to Monday, print working day, fast working day, fast working day. Okay. So I am changing A is equal to Monday. No, no, yeah, okay, Monday. Let's try that first. Okay. So what happened? Expected. Okay, okay. To see that this sign is very important. So that I haven't used in the next line. That's why I got syntax error. So fast working day, isn't it? To see that very nicely how it works. So fast if statement says that if it is a Sunday, print there. So that is not satisfying. Then it is fast. Fast it is checking whether this if statement is satisfying or not. Not satisfied. Then it is moving to another if statement. It is satisfying. That's why it is printing fast working game. But if I write, if I write on Sunday here, so what will happen? If I write Sunday here, so it will check this condition first. It is satisfying, it is printing. Then it will end here only. It will not go into next statement. Okay? Should we check? Should we check? Yeah, let's do. Suppose if I write Sunday here also, if I write again the same statement, you need print, enjoy, we can enjoy, go to party. Let's see whether it goes or not or it breaks. That's how we can check, isn't it? No, it is printing the both of them. That means it is also checking the next line also. But instead of if, you can write elif. Okay, elif, E-L-I, elif. Now run that. Okay. Elif means other conditions. Can you see? If you write if here, it will check each of the condition. But if you write if, it is now matching, then it is breaking. It will not go to next one. Okay? Isn't it? So that's a very good thing. And else statement is also there. Else print print other days. Print other days. Suppose Thursday. That means first it will go to if statement Sunday is not Sunday, not printing. Then it is going to elif sun. Suppose this is Monday. I am changing that. Okay. Monday, it is not Monday. Okay. If it is Monday, working day. First working day. First working day. It is checking. It is not Monday. So whatever other day you will give, it will print the other condition. Okay. So let's learn other day. So you write Wednesday also. Wednesday is not in this statement. So Wednesday. Or whatever if you write. Okay. Apart from if and daily, whatever you will write, the else statement will take care. Okay, other day it is called. Nested while is there. Nested for is there. Nested if is also there, and it will act like while, nested while. So you will not understand. Once you start solving the questions, then I will draw and I will explain. So now switch statement. Okay. Switch statement is just like if else condition only. Okay. So you can normally reduce your code by writing switch statement. Okay. So this is just for knowing. Mostly nobody use the switch statement. So in that way you can write. I will show you. Okay. So suppose I am writing Um, yeah, suppose I am writing um, Wednesday. So for switch statement, you have to write switch. Mhm. And here you have to write case. If the case is Sunday, print this. If the case is Monday, print this. And the default else means default. Default is other. Okay, it's run. Maybe some syntax error make. Yeah. Switch. I think I have done some syntax error. So let's switch. I told you there is a website called GFG. Switch in GFG. Switch of Python. So if you forgot like me, from here you can see switch case. Okay. So this is the if statement you can find out. Okay. So they are writing a function, not switch statement. Okay. Yeah. Elif condition. Switch will cover later. Okay. So now break and continue. Okay. Switch. Suppose A is equal to 1. Okay, we will cover the break continue statement as well as switch in next class. So, thank you.